Good morning students. So today we will revise the another two chapters in SST, that is chapter number 9, the coastal plains and islands, and chapter 10, life in the coastal plains and islands. So in this revision video we will discuss about everything about the eastern coastal plain, western coastal plain, the two set of Indian islands, and life of the eastern coastal plain and western coastal plain, and life of the islands, that how people live there, what are their main occupations, what kind of dress they wear, what are the main food items of these states which are the part of eastern coastal plain and western coastal plain. So let's start the revision of the chapter by the definition of coast, that what is coast or what do you mean by coast? The area where land meets the sea or ocean. The area where land meets the sea or ocean, that is known as coast. Or we can say that the land area that lies next to the sea or ocean, that is also known as coast. India has a vast coastline of about 7,517 km, which starts from Gujarat to West Bengal. And this coastline is divided into two parts: Eastern coastal plain and Western coastal plain. Eastern coastal plain, it starts from West Bengal to Tamil Nadu, and Western coastal plain, it starts from Gujarat to Kerala. So now let's discuss about the Eastern coastal plain and Western coastal plain. So beta, this is the diagram of the southern plateau. It is our southern plateau, that is also known as the peninsular plateau, because this part of our country is surrounded by three water bodies. And which are that three water bodies? That is Arabian Sea, here is Bay of Bengal, it is Bay of Bengal, and in the south there is Indian Ocean. And this is our southern plateau. Now this is western coastal plain and it is eastern coastal plain. This is western coastal plain, and it is eastern coastal plain. So the western coastal plain is the land mass that lies between the Western Ghats and between the Arabian Sea. Now these are the Western Ghats and these are the Eastern Ghats. And we had already discussed about the Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats, that Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats are the mountain ranges, and these mountain ranges are not much high as the Himalayas. These Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats are the home of many waterfalls, and this is the Eastern Ghat or Western Ghat that divide the southern plateau to the coastal plain. Western coastal plain and Eastern coastal plain, these coastal plains are separated to the southern plateau by the Eastern Ghat or by the Western Ghat. So now the next is, now the Eastern coastal plain, it starts from West Bengal in the northeast to Tamil Nadu in the south, and the width of this coastal plain is varies from 100 to 200 kilometers. This is the width of this eastern coastal plain. Now let's discuss about the rivers that flow in the eastern coastal plain. So here are the rivers: Mahanadi, Godavari, Kaveri and Krishna. Mahanadi, Godavari, Kaveri, Krishna, these are the rivers that flow here in the eastern coastal plain and formed delta here. And these rivers makes the eastern coastal plain fertile and people can easily grow many crops here because they can easily irrigate their fields through the rivers that flow in the eastern coastal plain. Now this eastern coastal plain is divided into two parts. The eastern coastal plain, it is divided into two parts. The upper part is the northern Sircars and the lower part is Coromandel coast. Now let's discuss the states which are the part of the coastal plain. So the first state is the Gujarat, that is the part of the western coastal plain. Gandhinagar is the capital of the state. So now the main occupation, agriculture is the main occupation of the state Gujarat, and the crops that are grown here: bajra, jowar, sugarcane, cotton and groundnut. These are the different crops that are grown here. Gujarati is the main language that is spoken in Gujarat. The different industries are textile and oil refinery industries, diamond cutting and petrochemical industries. Famous food items are thepla, khandvi, dhokla, chola fali are some of the famous food items of the state. Now the dance forms, which are the popular dance forms, so that are Ras, Garba, Bhavai are some of the popular dance of the state Gujarat. The next is Goa. The capital of Goa is Panji, and that is one of the most popular tourist attraction in a country. The main occupation here is agriculture, and the different crops that are grown here: cashew nuts, rice, spices and coconut palms. Tourism and mining, these are the two important industries in the state Goa. Famous food items of the people: rice, vegetable, meat and fish. People also enjoy the seafood. The kind of dress that people wear: women wear skirt, blouse and sari, while men wear trousers and t-shirts. This is the kind of dress that people wear in Goa. Next is Kerala. The next state that is the part of western coastal plain, that is Kerala. The capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. After that, agriculture is the main occupation, and the crops that are grown here are rice, tea, coffee, rubber, cardamom, coconut and sugarcane. Kerala has so many beautiful sports, tourist attraction. The state is also known as God's own country just because of its greenery, that there are so many lakes, backwaters, forest, green fields, lagoons, which makes the state a beautiful a beautiful state, and that's why it is known as God's own country. Kerala is popular for its traditional manufactured or its traditional industries, like the items manufactured by coir, handloom and handicraft. The famous dress: women wear sari while men wear mundus, that is a lion cloth with a upper white cloth. Kathakali and Mohiniyattam, these are the two popular dance forms of the state, and Onam is the main festival of the state in which boat races are organized. So these are about the states that are part of the western coastal plain. After that, the next state is Odisha, that is the part of the eastern coastal plain. The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Mahanadi is the river that flows through the state. Agriculture, fishing and animal husbandry, these are the main occupations in the state Odisha. People engaged in agriculture, fishing, and animal husbandry or animals rearing. Famous food items are dalma, santhul, ghanta and posta curry. These are the famous food items enjoyed by the people in the state. Odissi is the famous dance form. Ghumru is the another folk dance, and Cho is the tribal dance of the state. Now Puducherry, Daman and Diu and Dadra and Nagar Haveli are the union territories which are the part of eastern coastal plain and western coastal plain. Yes students, so now let's discuss about the life of the Andaman and Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep Island. So Andaman and Nicobar Island, the capital is Port Blair. This union territory is made up of two parts, the Andamans and the Nicobars. The two group of islands combine together and form Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The main occupation is here agriculture, animal rearing, fishing, plantation and construction. Paddy is the maize crop. Paddy, rice is the main crop that is grown here. And there are the fruits which are grown in large amount. Mango, orange, banana, papaya, pineapple and some of the root crops are grown here. Seafood is the staple food. People include seafood in their diet. Nicobari dance is the most popular dance on the island. The next is Lakshadweep Island. Kavrati is the capital of Lakshadweep Island. Fishing, coconut cultivation, coil twisting. These are the main occupations here. Tourism is also developing on this island. Kanchi and Thattam are the traditional dresses that people wear. Kolkali, Parichakli and Lava. These are the famous dance forms of the island. Fish and coconut found in abundance on this island. So people include in their diet fish and coconut. People include fish and diet in their diet. So this is the staple food of the island. So this is all about the coastal plains and islands and the life in the coastal plains and islands.